second B. Haryana is known for its brave soldier, agility, flow, dance simple. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishnash. And my name is Swanaji. I study in second standard. A beautiful state known for its rich culture, classical dance, kuchipudi. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am places in the traditional Italy of Manipur. Manipur is famous for its thank you. And my name is Shreya Chandrakant Mekle. I standard is second B Lily. Good morning, everyone. My name is Srisha Dhananjay Masa. I am studying in a second B Lily. I am dressed as a Bengali representing the rich culture of Bengal. Bengal is culture from known its beautiful traditional dress, sweet language, delicate of the food. Thank you. नमस्कार सगळ्यांना. माझं नाव प्रीता चादरे. मी महाराष्ट्र पोशाख केली आहे. महाराष्ट्र ही छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांची भूमी आहे. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhuvan Mahis. I'm from second standard. शौर्य आणि संस्कृती आणि यांचा सन्मान. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tulya Abol Chandragiriwal. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mukesh Mirza. I am studying second standard. आज मैं फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन में राजस्थानी लड़की बनी हूँ. राजस्थान भारत का सबसे बड़ा राज्य है और राजधानी जयपुर है. आप सब मेरे राजस्थान में आना. राम राम सा.
Very good, very good.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanya Chaudhary. My Kashmiri look, the Kashmiri famous song, Ghumro Ghumro. Hello, everyone. My name is Sanchi Ganesh Shinde. I am for the second B. Why beautiful dress of Nagaland straight. Thank you.
Yes,
My name is Rashmi Patange. I study in second Lily. My dress is beautiful. State in North My dress name is Silk Mekhna Chador. Thank you.
माईक नाही आपल्याकडे.
Ram Ram. My name
काय नाम?
is
Sound mic.
Shubhangi Rajendra Matoe. My name is Sanvi Sophie Hussain. We are studying in second Marigold. We are from Bihar. Bihar is famous for Nalanda University and Bodh Gaya. Thank you. Sat Shri Akal. My name is Swara. I am studying in second Marigold. My name is Aradhya. I am studying in second Marigold. We are from Punjab. I love Bhangra dance and Chole Kulche. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Prisha. I am Priyash. We are studying in second Marigold. We are from Haryana. Haryana is known for its beach and culture, hard work. There are girls like Geeta Phugat in our state. Thank you. Vanakkam. Vanakkam.
तो नाही रे
Hello
माईक.
everyone, my name is Rukmi and my name is Sanvi. We are studying in second Marigold. We are from Kerala, land of coconut trees and Kathakali dance. Thank you. Namaste, my name is Rayyan. I am studying in second standard. Namaste, my name is Shivani Gupta. I am studying second A. Marigold, we are from Andhra Pradesh. I love our classical dance, kuchipudi and tasty food. Thank you. Namaskar, my name is Sai. I am studying in second standard Marigold. I am from West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for Durga Puja